Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the FabFitFun spring box. So if you are interested in that, keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. In case you are not familiar with FabFitFun, it is a quarterly subscription box. It retails for $50 a month and you get a bunch of stuff. It's like lifestyle, beauty, fitness, just all kinds of different goodies in the box. Like I said, it is $50. I will link it down below in case you guys are interested in it. But I'm going to show you guys what I got in the spring box this month. The box itself is a really pretty fun floral pattern. And then when you open it up, it has this little magazine almost, and then a couple of little notes. One of these is a $50 gift card for HelloFresh. And then this just has a little pamphlet with all the stuff that's in the box. And then it has tissue paper with this little sticker. So I'm going to open that up. And I'm just going to go through each of these without holding this because that is hard. So the first thing I see is this. It says private party. This is a beach towel. This is so tiny. So this retails for $50. It says your beach trip isn't complete without this cute oversized towel. It's made from 100% poly microfiber to keep sand from sticking. So this is so skinny. I don't think I've ever had a beach towel that is like so compact. I think it just says beach please on it. But it's just a striped towel. It's white on the back. And this is really cool. I'm actually going to Scottsdale this weekend, so I will bring this with me. I can't believe how small it is. I feel like this is a really good thing to take if you're traveling because it's so compact and will fit in a suitcase really nicely. Next up is this. It says a place for everything, and this retails for $22. Oh, it's like a trinket tray. So it's really pretty. It's just geometric. And this says, keep your baubles in one place. This ceramic trinket dish holds small jewelry and instantly elevates any vanity with its gold detailing. Retails for $22. Honestly, I have so many little trays. I do not need another one. It is totally my colors. So I don't know, I might keep it, I might pass it on. Next up is this from Way of Will. It is the Nail and Cuticle Serum. This says moisturize nails while protecting the cuticle against dryness and damage. The serum contains emollient-rich meadow foam, argan oil, and vitamin E to strengthen nails in between paint jobs. Retails for $24. I don't really use stuff like this just because I have a nail routine and I don't know. So I might pass this on as well, but if you do need your nails to be strengthened, this could be a good option for you. Next is from Ahava. I think that's how you say this. It is the Dermamud Intensive Foot Cream for dry and sensitive skin relief. This retails for $29. It says it's made with mineral-rich Dead Sea mud. The daily cream works to relieve painfully dry, rough, cracked, and coarse skin. Moving on, this is from Libido. It is the Aromatic Body Lotion, Mandarin Orange, and Bergamot. So this retails for $19. It says hydrate, nourish, and protect. The deliciously scented citrus body lotion is dermatologically tested and formulated for all skin types. So those flavors, or scents rather, are like totally up my alley. Oh yeah, this smells so good. Oh, for some reason I thought I had one of the pop-up tops. It does not. Yeah, I can totally see myself using this. And it feels, it's not super like creamy, it's more lotiony, if that makes any sense. Sometimes I don't like the heavy creams because they feel really heavy on your hands, but this actually feels nice and light and it smells pretty good. Yes, I will definitely be using this. Next is from Murad. This is the Renewing Eye Cream. This retails for $82. It says this ultra nourishing eye cream features advanced peptides and retinol to increase elasticity and visibly minimize lines and wrinkles. I actually really love Murad and I'm almost out of my eye cream right now. So I will definitely be using this one next. So I'm excited about this. Next is from Ish. I actually believe that this brand is a FabFitFun brand that they created, but this is the I'm Smoking Hot palette. Mattes and shimmers galore. This palette features 10 gorgeous super pigmented shades that can easily take your look from day to night. And it retails for $32. This is what it looks like. And then if you open it up, it actually has some really pretty colors. I kind of feel like I should give this away just because I have so much makeup and so many eyeshadow palettes that I don't want to swatch it because I want it to be sanitary to give to somebody. But I think it's a good, out of the eyeshadow palettes that I feel like come in these types of boxes, this is a good one because the colors are nice and neutral for somebody who wants an everyday look. And then lastly in this box is from Tarte. This is the Drink of Water Hydrating Boost. And it says that it retails for $39. Quench your skin's thirst. This vegan gel moisturizes, soothes, and refreshes parched skin with electrolyte-packed hydration. And I'm actually really excited about this. Okay, it smells nice and fresh. I love a good gel moisturizer. And this one feels so nice. Okay, I'm super excited about this. Gel moisturizers are right up my alley, and I love Tarte, so I will definitely be testing this one out and seeing how I like it. Altogether, the retail value of this box was $297, and you can get it for $49, which you can still get this box. So this is not like a subscription box that you can't get it anymore. You can still get this one. So if you like these things, you can definitely still get it. And on here, it has different options of different things that could have come in your box. So instead of that beach towel, you could have gotten a hanging train case, which I think is one of those like toiletry cases, or you could have gotten a pair of diff sunglasses. So you get one of those three things, and then instead of the eyeshadow palette, you could have gotten a foldable gym bag or an opal rose necklace. So one of those three things. Instead of the foot cream, you could have gotten a pillow spray, which actually I really wish I would have gotten because I want to try a pillow spray. Instead of the moisturizer, you could have gotten the Lights Camera Lashes mascara from Tarte. And then instead of the eye cream, you could have gotten the hair mask from DP Hue. So that is that. You can get different things depending, and it says in here that your total retail value is between $238 and $340. So that is a huge value for how much it actually retails for. Again, I will link FabFitFun down below, and I will also link everything that I can that I got in this box. I will link those items down below as well. I'm excited to try out this beach towel. Hopefully I love it. I'm definitely going to be traveling with it next weekend. Alrighty guys, that is everything that I got in this season of the FabFitFun box. Let me know down below if you get this subscription. If you did, what items did you get? Did you get the same things, different things? Did you love it? Did you hate it? Let me know all the things down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.